Welcome to this Excel Updates video covering trim refs. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. Be sure you are using the most recent version before starting the project. In Excel for Desktop, open the Excel Updates Desktop Data File.xlsx file. We are going to be working in Worksheet D08. Trim refs provide a concise way to apply common variations of the trim range function directly within range references. By modifying the standard colon operator with a period, you can specify trimming behavior. A trailing trim ref trims trailing blanks, a leading trim ref trims leading blanks, and a full trim ref trims both leading and trailing blanks. In this example, we will use trim refs to complete the same calculation we used for trim range. Click in cell E2 and type equals C:(C minus B:(B). Don't press enter. To add a full trim ref to the formula, place periods before and after each colon in the formula, then press enter. Now let's review that trim refs function one more time. The C:(C) trim reference targets column C and removes any leading and trailing empty rows. Similarly, the B trim ref targets column B, excluding leading and trailing empty rows. This operation subtracts the corresponding values in the trimmed range of column B from those in column C. Here are the results of using trim refs. Trim ref is a shorter, more concise version of trim range, and you can use it when you don't need the more advanced features of trim range or when you are not sharing your work with others. The dots in trim refs take the place of the more explicit arguments in the trim range function. You can see here that we did the exact same thing with trim range and trim ref, but the trim range would be easier for another user to interpret. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.